Hello, everybody. So I'm going to put myself over here. I just want to share a couple things. First, I'm going to give you a little tip, and then I'm going to show you. Have you guys seen the new little things down? Really cute. And then this is new, the 3D. So, well, it said it was new, but this is kind of cute. Characters and emojis. Excuse me. What is this? Okay. Oh, do you see this? Of course I'm gonna sneeze. Well, since I'm on video, right? Oh, this is cool. Let me play around. Let me play around a little bit. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so fun. Oh, 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 yes. That is so much fun. Okay, so, well, there's that. There's that fun thing. Okay. I love it. And and then look at all these little cute, like these are cute. Remember, you can, another tip here, remember mock-ups are pretty amazing over here. Like you can, uh, and then uploads, and then you just upload a picture. Let's make money. But the other day I was kind of stuck with some, like, I'm like, I don't even know what I want to use as a text. So what I did was I went over to Elements and then, come on. Actually, I did not go to Elements. I went to text. Too much sometimes. And I went down to the font combinations, and some of them are pro, but some of them are free. So if you have pro, you can, of course, use all of them. But if you are a free user, there's a whole bunch too. Like, this is really cool. And then you just change it and change the words. Like, let's. And then you can switch this color to match there. Go. And it has an effect. What effect is it? Oh, the lift. Okay. Play around with it a little bit. Um, let's make money. I know it's missing the S on that. Okay, and then of course I would want to switch the color. So I would like to match this picture. Okay, now another thing we can do is go up here and let's say we want the like a light color like that, right? Well, kind of blah, right? Yeah. Okay, so let's go to, we're clicking on the color. You're going to click the little sliders. You're going to go to gradient, and it just automatically picks a color, but we don't want color. So I am going to pick a color, and then I'm going to take that one out, and then I can make it any color. Now, if that's too light for you, then just pick a different color. Uh, You can go up in the thing, take that out, and there you go. It changes it, a little bit. So I really like the gradient images and everything. So, yep, there's a little tip first. If you can't figure out what kind of font to use for anything like social media, image or anything, just go to text, scroll down, and you'll find font combinations. And they're super easy to edit. Okay. And then, elements, you can, there's shapes, graphics, stickers, audio, videos, photo charts. That's where you find the sheets, tables, mockups, grids, and frames. And you can also generate your own. So, what do I want? I want a cute pink queen box. And let's see what it gives us. But you didn't think all that. So then it kind of gives us little graphics down here. That's awesome. Oh, graphics. Okay. I guess I have to. Oh, it brings up the graphics. Okay. Huh. So, I mean, it used to do that, but it's a little different now, of course. Let's see here. What if I want to describe what you are after and get started? Generate video. Huh. It's thinking. But then it gives me other videos down here too. That's cool. You can generate a video there. Well, it'll probably take too long. I don't want to. Let's see here. Photos, generate images. Let's see what it comes up with. Oh, these are cute. Ooh, look at that one. Oh my. Ooh, I don't mind that whatsoever. That is hecka cute. Oh my goodness. So cute. Hey, they've kind of actually come a long ways. Huh. Right. Huh. There you go. All right. Well, have some fun. Come over here and play with this. I might have to come in here. I've been in mid-journeying all day. But anyways, welcome to Tip Thursday. Just play around in the elements and text. Just play around.